Right now, something unusual is happening behind closed doors in the gaming industry. Executives at Sony and Microsoft are watching very closely, and it is not because of a powerful new console or a high-end gaming PC. The device that has their attention is surprisingly small, a tiny black box that could sit comfortably in the palm of your hand. Before we dive deeper, leave a comment and tell me what you think about Apple stepping further into gaming. Do you believe they can actually challenge the traditional console giants? For years, the gaming world convinced us that entertainment in the living room required enormous plastic machines packed with loud cooling systems and expensive hardware. Those boxes became the standard way we experienced games. But Apple appears ready to disrupt that entire idea. The upcoming 2026 Apple TV is not just another routine upgrade. It is part of a carefully designed strategy that could reshape how people experience entertainment at home. If the rumors are accurate, the traditional idea of a gaming console might be entering a completely new era. At the center of this shift is Apple's upcoming A19 chip. Over the past decade, Apple has quietly refined its custom silicon technology. It began with smartphones, pushing mobile performance far beyond what anyone expected. Then those same design principles moved into laptops, surprising the computer industry with efficiency and raw speed. Now that same philosophy is heading straight to the living room. The A19 chip is rumored to deliver an enormous leap in graphical power while staying inside an incredibly compact device. Reports suggest that it will support hardware ray tracing, allowing light in games to behave the same way it does in the real world. Reflections become sharper, shadows appear more natural, and environments feel dramatically more lifelike. What makes this even more impressive is that all of this performance runs inside a completely silent system with no loud cooling fans. This could dramatically change how everyday players experience gaming. Think about how your daily routine already revolves around the Apple ecosystem. Many people carry an iPhone everywhere they go. Imagine starting a large story-driven game on your phone while waiting somewhere during the day. You defeat a difficult boss battle, close the game, and put the phone away. When you arrive home later, you sit down on the couch, pick up a controller, and the exact same game instantly continues on your television right where you left off. The transition happens seamlessly. The graphics scale up to console-level quality, and everything resumes instantly without complicated menus or save transfers. Apple quietly handles the synchronization in the background. It becomes a smooth and almost invisible experience that traditional gaming systems have struggled to achieve. Visual performance may also take another major step forward. Several industry leaks suggest that the next Apple TV could support 8K video output. While most households do not yet own 8K televisions, Apple is clearly planning far ahead. The company wants this device to remain relevant for many years, quietly sitting under your television while entertainment technology continues to evolve. But the vision behind this device is larger than just gaming or movies. Apple appears to be rethinking how people interact with screens in their homes. Instead of spending hours endlessly scrolling through small mobile displays, the company wants to shift attention back to the living room experience. The idea is to create something more immersive, more intentional, and more visually impressive than the constant stream of distractions on a phone. Another piece of the strategy involves artificial intelligence. Today's smart home devices often rely on cloud processing, which means your voice commands travel to remote servers before anything happens. That process can feel slow and raises concerns about privacy. The A19 chip changes this by including a powerful neural engine directly inside the device. Voice commands could be processed locally within your home. In practical terms, this means you could walk into your living room and simply speak. The television powers on, the lights adjust automatically, and the temperature changes instantly without your data leaving the house. Instead of relying on distant servers, the Apple TV becomes the central intelligence for the entire smart home environment. Perhaps the most aggressive part of this strategy is the rumored price. Some industry reports suggest Apple may aim for a starting price around $99. If that becomes reality, it would dramatically undercut traditional gaming consoles. For many families, the decision becomes obvious. Why spend hundreds of dollars on a dedicated console when a compact Apple device could deliver entertainment, gaming, and smart home control in one box? Apple understands that the hardware itself is only part of the equation. The real goal is long-term services. Apple Arcade, Apple TV Plus, and other subscriptions create a steady stream of revenue. By placing affordable hardware in millions of homes, Apple can gradually build a much larger ecosystem of digital services around it. This small device may also play an important role in Apple's future ambitions around spatial computing. The Vision Pro headset already hints at where Apple believes technology is heading. But headsets still benefit from a powerful base device that can help manage processing tasks. The next Apple TV could become that central hub, wirelessly supporting immersive augmented reality experiences in the home. Imagine sitting in your living room while digital characters appear to sit beside you on the couch, or playing interactive board games that float across your coffee table. The television box becomes the invisible engine powering these experiences behind the scenes. After analyzing the leaks and studying the direction of the industry, it is clear that Apple is approaching the living room very strategically. Will this replace powerful gaming PCs for professional esports players? Probably not. Competitive gamers will still rely on dedicated high-performance rigs. But for the majority of households around the world, this could easily become the single entertainment device they need. It simplifies gaming, improves smart home performance, enhances privacy, and delivers powerful hardware in a completely silent package. Apple is essentially taking its most advanced mobile technology and transforming it into a living room powerhouse. If everything we are hearing turns out to be accurate, the 2026 Apple TV could surprise the entire industry. Apple is not just releasing another streaming box. They are building a central hub for entertainment, gaming, artificial intelligence, and the future of spatial computing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.